how can I avoid Vaishnava Parada?
Don't criticize Vaishnava to know Vaishnava Parada. Do you know how many types of Vaishnava Parada?
Não critique os Vaishnavas e aí você não vai fazer Vaishnava Parada. Você sabe quantas ofensas existem nos Vaishnavas? I think 6, huh?
6. What is that?
Quais são esses 6?
Não bater, não gostar, não criticar, não receber tudo, falhar em receber. Não sei tudo.
O que mais?
Não dar as boas-vindas, não matar, em Vaishnava.
Para. What is look?
Hanti Nindati, Hanti Nindati, Vaidishti, Vaishnavam Abhinandati, Kridati, Yatino, Hatsan, Darshani, Patrimani, Shati.
What does it mean?
Significa que as 6 ofensas que você pode cometer um Vaishnava é você bater ou matar um Vaishnava, você criticá-lo, é você ter inveja ou malícia em relação ao Vaishnava, você falhar em dar as boas-vindas a ele ou satisfazê-lo, você ter raiva dele e você não ficar feliz ao vê-lo.
So if you not do this, automatically you avoid the Vaishnava Parada.
Então, se você não fizer nenhuma dessas atividades, automaticamente você vai evitar a Vaishnava Parada. Entendeu ou não?
Chant holiness. Mind,
Outros nomes.
Kali Yuga mind is doing anything that is not counted in other things. Because Kali Yuga means mind is that should not also. Other yugas, mind, they are doing many things. Even their mind also creates the human being. Manasputra, Brahma, Manasputra. Vida Brahma is Manasputra. Manasputra? Yeah. The son of Brahmaji is manifested from his mind. That is the 4 Kumara. And other yugas in mind, they can do many things. But Kali Yuga, not even you in your mind you do any bad thing, that result will not come. But Kali Yuga also give another thing. In your mind, if you do in your mind just you do good things, also you get the fruit. Understand this thing? If your mind just I am giving a charity donation cows to the brahmanas, sadhus, also that fruits of Punna will get.
Donations to the brahmanas, sadhus, to the cows in your mind?
And there was one person, he was very miser. So when he met with Sadhu, then Sadhu told, you worship Thakurji. Then he told, you tell me, without spending any money, how can I serve Sadhu and Thakurji? Then that Sadhu he told, listen, in your mind you can serve, also get that. Then in his mind he also brought one Thakurji. And in his mind he worshipped Thakurji in his mind. And in this way, every day, according to the instruction of the Sadhu, every day in his mind he worshipped Thakurji. Then one day in his mind also he brought the butter from the market, not paying, just in mind, oh, I am going to the market and but the butter, then butter. And then one day he is giving the butter, then more butter coming in the plate of Thakurji. That time he is taking from the butter from the plate. Then Thakurji caught his hand. Hey, this is not yours, this is mine. Because I am only one person, that is called Makhan Chor. So how possible you will be steal my butter? Those Leela, Even your mind, if you also do this, also creates the fruit. Understand? And Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, Srila Rupa Goswami Pad also explains this. If you serve to Thakur, in your mind, also get fruit. But in your mind should not do bad things to anything. Because when you do bad things, then one day then physically you will come also. Physically. So Shastra is saying, no, even your mind is not to remember, think anything to your mind. In your mind, always think good things. Mind of chant holy names, so no bad things will not come. If you chanting holy names, so how possible bad things will come?
Shiva Gurudev, the scientists say that if our mind, if we think, we can. They say that what we think can change the environment, can change the matter. If we think we can, it can become true. Like what we think, it can change the environment. Our mind can influence in the environment. Is it true?
If your mind bad things, that's so environment will come. Always mind think good things. Kistan Braji Tadanu Ragi Jananu Gami Kalan Nay Daklam Uttapadi. Rain will come.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
Uma question. Ontem ele falou sobre que Srimati Radharani tem os 5 tipos de raças e citou só em Shantarasa que ela queimando. Ele poderia nos dar um exemplo de Dasya, de Radharani em Dasya e Sakya Vatsalya?
If you want to listen this one.
Yeah. Once no Rosh Mataraka serves in Dasaras, Sakyaras, Vatsalya, because yesterday said she serves in her mom is serving Shantaras. He wants to know the
What is the first you try to understand the qualities of Santara. Santara's quality, what is the qualities of Santara?
Nista.
What is the Nista? Krishna, he belongs to me. He is mine. These types of Nista steadiness coming. That is called Madhusnya. 2 kinds of love and affection with Krishna. One is called Gitasnya, another is called Madhusnya. Gita means their love and affection towards Krishna as like ghee. That is called Gitasnya. And another love and affection towards Krishna, that is called honey. Madhu means honey. So Srimati Radhika, she thinks Krishna, he belongs to me. These types of nistha in their heart. And so Santa's nistha these types. So when Srimati Radhika, she becomes angry, but nistha is inside. And externally she also showing her anger mood to Krishna, but has so much love and affection. She is saying, Madhava Madhava Jahi Madhava Mahavada Krishna. Hey Madhav, I don't want to listen your any flattering words. Go ahead. But what she is thinking? Madhava Madhava Jahi Madhava Mahavada Krishna. Madhava. There are the 2 meanings coming. Hey Madhav, go. Mahavada Koitava. I don't want to listen to any Koitav words. Koitav means cheating words, flattering words. Here another meaning is coming, Madhavo. Ma means not. Dhav means to run, go run first. So don't you go and run first, man, you stay with me. Saying Madhava, Madhava. Ma vada koitava. Ma vada akoitava. There are two meanings of it. Koitava, akoitava. Akoitava means it? Koitava means cheating. Proper institute. Akoitava means that they are perfect. You always speak the perfect truth. That means you always stay with me. So in the Nishtha, there is steadiness in this way. External saying one word or internally another word comes. This is actually man. Because prem is always going in crooked way, not straight. So for this regard, she is saying in this way. So in this way, Srimati Radhika, she serves to Krishna in Santaras also. The Santas plus another qualification, no seva vritti, no servitude, only Nishtha. Okay, this Nishtha is coming what? Krishna belongs to me, human. But seva vritti, but what kinds of seva vritti? Actual external not seva vritti comes, but internal seva vritti comes. What is that? Internal seva vritti. Now she is using many harsh words. She is using the harsh words to Krishna, and Krishna is very happy. This is her service, seva. Understand? This is Apragita Chit Jagat, transcendental world, all the activities, that is called Krishna Seva. Krishna Seva is going on there. Krishna Seva means Krishna is happy. And when Srimati Radhika sees man, that's when he used many harsh words. Madhupakitva ukitva bandhu ma pisrangi. This is man coming. And use many harsh words. That is what Krishna is very happy. And Prem Samput, this Ganta Shri Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad explained this. How how Krishna is very happy when Srimati Radhika, she used these types of harsh words. Hey, rain will come. No problem. So Santaras this way. Dasaras, what they say? Seva vritti. Nishtha and service. Srimati Radhika, she always you are servicing to Krishna. Different way. Physically, mentally, she serves to Krishna. She cooks. She cooks for Krishna. Morning, she goes to Jabat, to Nandagaon, and she cooks for Krishna. Seva vritti. Dasa Rasmini is seva vritti. Not other thing.